Hi guys, I'm attempting a simulcast, so please be patient with me if there are any technical difficulties. I am trying to cast both to my VIP group and to a group where I'm doing an event today, and I wanted to demonstrate our limited edition lip kit. We have it nude and pink, and I'm going to use the pink one today. Isn't that cute, little lips on it? And what I'm going to tell you is always line your lip first. The idea is to give yourself a framework to work with it, and also that you can actually fill in your lip with the lip liner. So guess what? I have to be quiet while I do this because otherwise I can't see what I'm doing. So I use a lip balm every day, our clear lip balm powder, the satin lip set, as kind of a primer, but we do carry a lip primer that you can use. It helps reduce fine lines around the mouth as well as on the lips. I like lip liner because it traps your lipstick so it doesn't bleed. And then of course we got the lipstick, the pink, and it's perfectly matched so you don't have to think about it. Now, some people like to apply the lipstick with a brush. Other people like to apply it with the lipstick. Some even use like a doe foot applicator, totally up to you. But as I said, this is limited edition. So once it's gone, it's gone. And the important thing to remember is that you can only get this from a Mary Kay consultant. Oh, hi guys, I want to say hello. I'm going to try to wave, but I'm not good at that on this technology. So if I didn't wave or say hi, please don't be upset. I got 3 screens growing simultaneously and I had to clip my mirror to the computer so it would be at the right height for me. You can see it kind of stretching a little so that I could see this all at once. So this is the rose colored glasses. There's actually no lens. They were part of a pair of party glasses that had fake eyelashes on them, but I thought they kind of looked like my VIP group. So if you haven't been, please go check it out and join. And if you are a member, make sure that you like both on the event if you're watching and on the VIP group, because we want to keep the algorithms up. I always have varying virtual backgrounds and I try to keep it interesting. I like to know what you want to learn so that I can teach you. And of course, if there's something I'm not covering, say something so I can cover it. I talk mostly about skincare, a little bit about makeup, a lot about sun care, especially now we're getting into summer, well, spring, then summer. And just in general, I like to make sure that you look on point so that you know that when you walk out the door, you can be confident with the skin you're in, with or without makeup. So thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.